this violin class and my family.
Thankful for my violin, my bow, and my music teacher, and my friends that play violin with me. I'm thankful for that I can play music.
I'm thankful for the music that we all play together.
I'm thankful for music.
I'm thankful for everybody in this room.
I'm thankful for our music teacher. I'm thankful for our music that we learned that our music teacher gave us. I'm thankful for every music in the world and more music and more music and more music and more music and more music.
For friends and family.
I'm thankful for Miss Anna.
I'm thankful for my mom and my dad.